Dad, from Nigeria, which is the West Africa.
From Malaysia.
From Somali student. So I come from China.
College University Insaniah, formerly known as Institute Agama Islam Kedah Darul Aman. The new premise is situated in Kuala Ketil, North Malaysia, about 400 kilometers from Kuala Lumpur, the capital city of Malaysia.
To be back here, College University in Insaniah, as a former graduate from this university. In fact, today I'm not going to enroll another course, but I came here to find out the realities, the performances, educational background of the international student, especially the Somalian students, whether they are studying here or they graduated from this university.
Normally, I'm going to communicate with them through phone, WhatsApp, because I'm creating WhatsApp group. Then furthermore, I communicate with them as well in using Facebook, because I do some sort of attachment in Facebook.
Actually, I communicate with them all the time. Okay, I'm using the social media to the optimum.
Most of them communicate through Facebook and email.
We communicate using telephone, Facebook, WhatsApp, and also email.
We have a good relationship between lecturer and also the Somali student, former Somali student. And until now, we are still WhatsApp and text to each other.
Through WhatsApp or through my email.
It was year 2008 when the first batch of Somali students came to this university. And guess what? There is no other international student that exists before the Somalia. And eventually the credit goes to the Somalian students. But it was very difficult and challenging here. They faced a problem within the community around the university. As black people, the local language, the culture, the food, everything becomes strange to them. But as they were very flexible people, they embraced the environment. They went through the challenge, they add value to the people, they become friendly to everybody.
The strength of Somali students, they are Muslim and they live very near to the Arab countries. So in regards to that, they have a very strong command of Arabic language, which is among the subject that is compulsory to all the students here before they can graduate. In order for them to have their convocation, to attend the convocation, they need to complete a series of subjects, including Arabic, as well as Islamic studies subject. This is their strength because they have no problem following the subject.
For example, for Somali students, they are very good in handwriting too. If let's say I ask them to send assignment in handwriting or in the other way around in typing, they are very good in writing. Their English is very good as well.
Are more helpful, and they have a very good adab and akhlaq compared to some other students. For example, when we meet on the street, they always say salam. They always come and shake hands. So that shows a lot of respect for me as a lecturer.
With regards to my student, which I encountered during my class, they are quite good students. Okay, some of them can communicate well and participate in the class, but there are some of them quite a little bit timid or might be shy to speak out. So to me, they are, in terms of character-wise, they are good people.
They are very assertive. They are very assertive, and they are mature. They are mature and helpful as well. And you can see, like when I pose a question to the class during my lecture, you can see most of the time the one that raised the hand, the one who responds is Somali student compared to the local one.
The Somali students actually they are very fast learner. Okay, they always come to see me in my room. They like discussion.
Our brother in Somali, they are one part of this student, international student, and really they are very good, most of them. And still I remember some of them, like one student, his name is Abdul Fattah, and also Jibril. Jibril is very nice. They are respect the people, most of them. They are good in education also, alhamdulillah. Now,
Within 6 years, college university in Insaniah, they produce more than 800 students from all over the world, including USA, Canada, Germany, Turkey, Iran, Iraq, Yemen, Indonesia, Thailand, China, Somalia, Nigeria, and South Africa.
Financially, many of them having problem, and that will result will bring problem to the study in terms of when they start to register, and then when they want to view the results. And this is very important because you need to know or to look at your progress. So I think most of students, you need to find maybe a fund, or you must have a very strong financial backup before you further study.
Submitting assignment, the way they communicate with me in class, they are totally different. Above all, I never discriminate with all my clients. Every single human got their own specialty. If talking for Somali students, they are very good in communication, very humble as well. Because I've got experience, goes back to 2010, I was head of department by that time. They're very humble students. They really listen to whatever we say, very kind as well, especially if attending class. They are very early, if they're very eager to learn. And if let's say we meet them somewhere in the campus or outside of campus, definitely they will say hi to us.
The attitude is different. Essentially, they are more energetic, more enthusiastic, and more assertive compared to the rest of the students. That's why you can say most lecturers will love them to be in the class because they make the class very lively. And even in terms of discipline, they are quite good, following the rules. And so I think overall, there are many positive points which they are different compared to the other students. And I love to have more of Somali students compared to nowadays in my class.
Somali students, I found them to be very hardworking. They are very focused. The students coming here, they have a purpose to finish their study, regardless of whatever problem they have.
Most of them can speak Arabic very well. I mean, the mu'amala with the lecturers are very good.
In the class, the attendance, for the past 2 years I'm teaching them, the attendance very good in my class. They're very good, they're coming.
My understanding about Somalis are they are good people, they are my friends, we stay together, we do assignments together, they are truthful, they are trustworthy.
What can I say about Somali is they love to exchange their idea and information to the other students. They always grab the opportunity to learn new things, especially culture in Malaysia. They try to learn Bahasa Melayu as our first national language.
The reason that I studied in Insaniah is still because it's peaceful, the campus is white, people are beautiful, the country is nice, everything is amazing. I like this university, all lectures are good.
Yeah, as we know, is an Islamic institution, and Islamization, and also the price of the course that I was taking, it was more likely cheaper than the other university.
Yang saya rasakan sangat menyenangkan dari sebelumnya karena ya termasuk dari infrastrukturnya lebih luas dan bangunannya lebih cantik dari sebelumnya, daripada yang sebelumnya seperti di Stargate dulu. Dan di sini kami merasakan lebih more comfortable.
Very peaceful campus, and the lecturers is very good lecturers. Also, the staff of Insaniah are very helpful.
Today, I strongly believe that those alumni students graduated from this university, they are great people. They are candidates of Somali government officials, they are members of parliament, they are business people, they are productive people, they are inventors, designers. Some of them, they are mothers and fathers, those who really love and take care of their children wherever they are.